paper for today as well. Okay, so number one, who can count and tell me how many counters they see? Tell me how many counters there are. Dean. Okay, you didn't count yet, so don't raise your hand. Alina.
6.
Who count again? Jenna?
7.
7. Okay, so I'm going to draw my 7 counters. Okay, so that's going to be our first number, right? So let's go ahead and write it in. 7. What comes next? Jacob. What comes after the 7?
2.
Well, there's something that goes right after the 7, though. What symbol? What means take away? What do we write in there? Start with an N.
Minus.
Minus. There it is. Okay. So 7 minus. How many are we taking away, Juliana? 2 are crossed off already, right? There's 2 crossed off. So 7 minus 2. What comes next, Braden? Equals. And how many do we have left then? 5. All right, everyone has that written in? They already crossed off everything for you. So remember, you're just writing in the equation to match. All right, we're good? Thumbs up? You can move on? Great. Okay, next one. How many counters do we have to start off with? How many? How many? How many? How many? Everyone should be counting, not looking up at me. You're counting on your paper, right? Riley, how many?
6.
6 is correct. So go ahead and write that in, your first number. 6. 6, what comes next, Dean?
Minus.
Minus, how many did they cross off and take away, Dean?
4.
4. You guys write it in. I gotta cross mine out. Okay, 4. What comes next then? Riley?
Equal.
Equal. And how many do we have remaining? What's the difference here? Jacob?
2.
2 is correct. Got that? Okay, all right, flip it over. Okay, so you guys go ahead and fill that in. Take a look at the picture. I want you to write in your equations, pencils on your box when you're done, so we can write it up on the board, okay? Count how many there are in all. Don't forget your minus sign. Come on, you're doing it on your own. Number 3, let's go. And then pencil on top of your box when you're done. Stop so we can write it together on the board. You have to do it. I'm not going to do all the work on the board for you. You guys got to get started. Nope, stop, stop, stop. We're just going to do number 3 and then stop. Just do number 3 and stop. Just do number 3, the blue, the girls with the blue dresses on the puppets. Okay, and then I need somebody to read me their equation. All right. Evelyn, you all done?
2.
You wrote it in?
No.
Okay, can you read it for me then? What's your equation supposed to say?
4.
Well, you got to be louder than that.
4 minus 2 equals 2.
Who else has that? That is correct. Very good, Evelyn. All right, go ahead to the next one. So in number, let's see, number 4, the puppets again, the girls with the pink dresses. Count all of them that are there. Count them all. All right, don't forget your minus sign. Take away how many are crossed off. Equals how many are remaining. Pencils on your box when you're done. So I can have somebody read me their equation. Pencils on your box so I know you're done. Look at all these kids done. Fantastic. Okay. All right, Ben, go ahead and read it for me. What do you have?
6 minus 3 equals 3.
Who else has that? That is correct. If you have that, you are correct. Very good, Ben. Awesome work. Okay, go ahead to the next one. The puppets, there's the little girls with the yellow dresses next. Girls with the yellow dresses. Don't forget all your symbols, your minus and your equal sign. And then let's see what you get, and then we'll put it up on the board and we'll compare everybody's. Okay, pencils on your box when you're done. So I can see we're ready. Looks like a lot of us have the same thing, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Excellent. Okay. Alrighty. Don't forget your symbols. Okay, Finn, go ahead and read it to me. What do you have, bud?
7 minus 3 equals 4.
Who else has this? Very good, that is correct. Excellent, you have it, you are right. Okay, all right, so the next one, all right, you see this, right? 4 blank, 1 blank. And then we have a blank here, right? We don't have anything written. Okay, so here's what it says. All right, for number 6. It says, have the students draw a picture to show the subtraction and then complete the equation to show the difference. Okay, so what kind of picture are we going to draw here? How many counters are going to represent this? How many counters am I starting off with, Valentina? How many am I going to draw? 4, very good. So we have 4 to start off. Let's go ahead and draw 4 counters. Okay, what has to go in this first bubble here, this first circle? 4 what? Brayden, what goes here? Minus, okay, so I'm going to take away. How many does it say I'm taking away, Ben?
1.
1. Okay, so let's go ahead and cross it off, right? Okay. Let's take 1 away. So 4 minus 1, what goes here, Jacob? Equals. Okay, and then how many do we have left, Valentina?
3.
3. Very good. Everyone see how we did that? Pretty good. All right, awesome. All right, for the last one, let me see if you guys can do this one on your own. You ready? I'm just going to read it. You're going to do it. Ready? Okay. It says, Marta has some puppets. Now you see how many puppets there are, right? So go ahead and count the puppets and write that number in.
Where?
And the blanks. See the blanks right there? So she has some puppets, and they're right there on the paper, right? So count them, write the number in. Now listen. She gives 2 puppets to her brother. So she has 5, and she's going to take 2 away and give them to her brother. So show that you're taking 2 away. Show that you're going to take 2 away. What do we do to show that? And then tell me now, what's the difference? How many puppets are left? All right, she has 5 puppets. She's going to give 2 to her brother. Now, how many are left? Write that in. And pencils on top of your box when you're done. Don't forget to cross off the puppets that she gives away. Don't forget to cross off the puppets that she gives away. Okay. All right. Guys, this is great. Hey, everybody say the equation for me. Everyone's got the same one. Ready? Let's do it.
5 minus 2 equals 3.
Great job, kindergarten. Everyone got it. Give yourself a round of applause. All righty. Okay, guys, you did a great job. No homework tonight now. We got our math paper done, right? Fantastic.